Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present low-carb egg rolls. I've been working on this recipe for over a year now, and I finally found the right ingredients to create a low-carb wrapper that won't fall apart when you fill and roll it. Let's get started. Before we begin, be sure to make my spicy sweet Asian sauce. We'll be using it in the filling, and it makes a great dipping sauce as well. I'll have a link in the description below for that recipe. Add 2 cups of almond flour to a large mixing bowl, some salt, xanthan gum, and the most important ingredient, gluten. As in pizza dough, gluten adds the structural protein and the elasticity we need to help keep the wrappers together as we roll them. We'll be using less than 1/4 cup for this recipe, so our carbs will still remain very low. Whisk together the dry ingredients to combine as well as break up any clumping. Add 1 large egg and just a bit of water. Use your hands to mix and combine. Keep mixing the dough until it comes together and looks something like this. You can use a hard surface, but I find it easier just to use both hands to knead the dough. Continue to press and fold the dough over itself, kneading it for at least 5 minutes. This kneading process is necessary to add strength to the dough. When you finish kneading, form the dough into a ball and wrap it with some plastic wrap. Place in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours to overnight to rest. For our filling, add 8 ounces of ground pork to a mixing bowl. Add some sambal oelek, minced garlic, sesame oil, rice vinegar, and some Chinese 5-spice. Use your hands to mix and combine. Cover and place in the refrigerator to marinate for at least 30 minutes to overnight. To a skillet on medium-high heat, add the marinated pork, breaking it up as it cooks. Stir in 1 chopped green onion stalk. Add some salt and continue to cook and stir the pork until it's just about cooked. Add some shredded cabbage and cook until the cabbage is slightly wilted. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of my spicy sweet Asian sauce. Cook this for about a minute or 2. Remove to a paper towel lined plate or bowl to drain and cool. Take the dough from the refrigerator and remove the plastic wrap. Knead the dough for about 30 seconds. Shape into a circle and place on a cutting surface. Using a knife, section the dough into 16 pieces. Shape each section into a small dish shape. Prepare some wax paper squares to hold the wrappers as we prepare them. You can flatten the dough using a rolling pin between 2 pieces of parchment paper, but I find this tortilla press is much more efficient and frankly much easier. To use, just place a piece of plastic wrap on the bottom, add the dough, cover with another piece of plastic wrap, and press. Peel back the plastic to reveal our egg roll wrapper that's flexible and strong enough to hold up when we roll the filling. Place on some wax paper and repeat the process until all the wrappers are formed. Dab the cooled pork with a paper towel to remove any excess grease. Place about a tablespoon of pork filling into a wrapper and slowly bring one edge over the top and wrap the ends and tuck the filling as you roll. Pinch together the dough to cover any openings that may exist. Repeat until all the egg rolls are rolled. Fry the egg rolls in oil heated to 375 degrees for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the outer crust is nice and brown. You may need to turn the egg rolls as they cook to ensure even cooking. Remove to a paper towel-lined plate to drain and cool. Serve warm with my hot mustard and spicy sweet sauces, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my low-carb egg roll recipe. A great appetizer or snack when that Chinese food craving comes a-knockin'. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.